Ever wondered how car insurance works? Well, you're not alone. Car insurance can seem like a complex world of jargon and small print, but when you break it down, it's actually pretty straightforward. At its core, car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company agrees to pay for specific car-related financial losses you might experience during the term of the agreement. Why is it so important? Well, aside from it being a legal requirement in most places, car insurance is crucial for protecting you from significant financial loss. It can cover repair costs after an accident, medical bills for injuries, and even compensation for damage to someone else's property. In this video, we'll be answering some of the most common questions about car insurance, breaking down the complexities, and giving you a clearer understanding of how it all works. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the main types of car insurance. So, what are the main types of car insurance? There are three major categories to consider. First, we have comprehensive insurance, the most extensive kind. It covers damage to your car from accidents, theft, fire, and even severe weather. If your car is more than just a tool for commuting and holds a significant value, this might be the one for you. Next up, we have third-party insurance. This is the minimum level of cover legally required in many countries. It covers the cost of damage to others' property and compensation for injuries to others in an accident where you're at fault. However, it doesn't cover damage to your own vehicle. Finally, there's third-party fire and theft insurance. This one is a step up from basic third-party insurance, adding coverage for your vehicle if it's stolen or damaged by fire. Now that we know the types, let's see how the type and age of your car can affect insurance costs. How does the type and age of your car affect insurance costs? Now that's an intriguing question. The make and model of your car can significantly impact your insurance premiums. Luxury cars, for instance, often come with higher insurance costs because they're expensive to repair or replace. Similarly, sports cars might be more costly to insure due to their high-speed capabilities, leading to potentially more severe accidents. The age of your car also plays a significant role. Newer cars tend to be pricier to insure because they often include high-tech features that are costly to replace. In contrast, older cars might be cheaper to insure, but only up to a point. Extremely old cars might see a hike in insurance costs due to their increased likelihood of needing repairs. Remember, your car isn't the only factor that determines your insurance premiums. Interestingly, your driving history also plays a role in determining your insurance costs. Does an individual's driving history impact insurance costs? Absolutely, it does. Just as a credit score can influence your ability to secure a loan, your driving history plays a significant role in determining your car insurance costs. Insurance companies are, essentially, betting on how likely you are to make a claim, and your driving history is like a report card showing how you've done in the past. If your record is clean, with no accidents or traffic violations, insurers see you as a lower risk, which can lead to lower premiums. However, a history speckled with accidents, speeding tickets, or other traffic violations can paint a different picture. Insurers may view you as a higher risk, leading to higher premiums. Even more serious infractions such as DUIs or reckless driving convictions can cause a significant spike in your insurance costs. It's all part of how insurance companies assess risk and calculate premiums. Next, we'll look at the difference between comprehensive and third-party insurance. What is the difference between comprehensive and third-party insurance? This is a question that often pops up when discussing car insurance. Let's break it down. Comprehensive insurance is like the Swiss Army knife of car insurance. It covers a wide range of incidents from theft and fire to accidental damage and natural disasters. If a tree falls on your car, comprehensive insurance has got you covered. It's the highest level of protection you can get for your vehicle. On the other hand, third-party insurance is a bit more limited. It's the bare minimum required by law in many places. This type of insurance covers the costs if you cause damage to someone else's vehicle or property. However, it doesn't cover any damage to your own vehicle. So, in essence, comprehensive insurance offers broad protection for your vehicle, while third-party insurance provides basic coverage for others affected by your actions. Determining the appropriate coverage for your car is crucial. Let's find out how. How can one determine the appropriate insurance coverage for their car? It's a crucial question with an answer that depends on a few key factors. Let's break it down. Firstly, consider the value of your car. If you're driving a high-end model, Comprehensive insurance is a smart move to cover the potential high cost of repairs or replacement. For older cars with lower market value, basic third-party insurance might suffice. Next, think about how you use your car. If you're a daily commuter or frequently embark on long road trips, higher coverage is advisable due to increased risk of accidents. But if your car is more of a weekend ride, you can likely opt for less coverage. Lastly, your budget plays a role. Insurance is necessary, but it shouldn't break the bank. Find a balance between adequate coverage and what you can comfortably afford. Insurance costs can fluctuate due to various factors. Let's explore them. What factors can influence an increase or decrease in insurance costs? This question is pivotal to understanding the dynamics of car insurance. A multitude of factors can affect insurance costs. Changes in the policyholder's circumstances, such as getting married, moving to a safer neighborhood, or even improving their credit score, can all lead to a decrease in insurance costs. On the flip side, negative changes like traffic violations or accidents can increase your insurance costs. Your claims history also plays a significant role. If you've previously filed numerous claims, insurance companies may view you as a high-risk customer, leading to higher premiums. Changes in the market can also impact insurance costs. If an insurance company faces a significant number of claims within a short period, they may raise their rates to cover the losses. Remember, every insurance company has its own method for calculating premiums, so understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions. Insurance companies can also offer additional services. Let's dive into some of them. What additional services are offered by some insurance companies? It's a question that's often overlooked, but it's vital to understand the full suite of services that insurance companies can provide. Beyond the standard coverage, many insurers offer perks that can add significant value to your policy. For instance, roadside assistance can be a lifesaver if you find yourself stranded with a flat tire or an empty gas tank. It's a service that many insurers offer, often for a nominal fee, and it can provide peace of mind when you're out on the open road. Another common service is rental car coverage. If your vehicle is in the shop after an accident, having rental car coverage means your insurer will foot the bill for a temporary replacement. And let's not forget about discounts for good drivers. Many companies reward safe driving with lower premiums, so maintaining a clean record can literally pay off. What about coverage for damages from uninsured accidents? Let's find out. How can coverage for damages from uninsured accidents be insured? Well, that's a question that weighs heavy on the minds of many drivers. The answer lies in uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This type of coverage is a safety net for those times when the other party in an accident is either uninsured or doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damage they've caused. Imagine being involved in a hit-and-run incident. The other driver speeds off, leaving you with a damaged vehicle and no one to hold accountable. It's in these situations that uninsured motorist coverage comes to your rescue, covering the repair costs and medical expenses resulting from the accident. Similarly, underinsured motorist coverage steps in when the other driver's insurance falls short. It fills the gap between the other party's coverage limit and the actual cost of the damages. So, ensure you're not left high and dry after an uninsured accident by considering adding uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage to your policy. Now let's explore ways to reduce insurance costs for young drivers. Are there ways to reduce insurance costs for young drivers? You bet. Let's dive into some strategies. First, consider defensive driving courses. Insurance companies often provide discounts to those who've completed such programs, as it demonstrates responsible driving behavior. Second, maintain a clean driving record. Accidents and traffic violations can significantly increase your insurance premiums, so stay safe and obey traffic laws. Thirdly, consider a less expensive car. Insurance for high-end or sports cars can be costly, especially for young drivers. Opting for a safer, less expensive vehicle can lead to lower insurance costs. Fourth, ask about good student discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts to students who maintain high grades, as it's believed that responsible students are also responsible drivers. Lastly, don't forget to shop around. Insurance rates can vary greatly from one company to another. Take time to compare quotes and find the best deal. Finally, let's go through the key steps when filing an insurance claim after an accident. What are the key steps when filing an insurance claim after an accident? Firstly, ensure everyone's safety and contact the authorities. Document the accident extensively, noting all details and taking photographs. This information will be crucial during the claims process. Next, reach out to your insurance company as soon as possible. They will guide you through the process, providing you with a claim form to fill out. This form will require all the details of the accident, so make sure to be thorough and accurate. Once your claim is filed, the insurance company will assess the damage and the circumstances surrounding the accident. This step may involve an adjuster inspecting your vehicle and examining any evidence provided. Following this, the company will make a decision on your claim. If approved, they will arrange for compensation, which could be in the form of repairs, a replacement vehicle, or a monetary payout. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has clarified the ins and outs of car insurance for you.